As a result of the Tools United CGTech partnership, Vericut users can directly read 3D tool assemblies and cutting data from Tools United and use them in Vericut. The Tools United to Vericut interface provides access to over 40 tooling vendors that contribute to the Tools United application. A complete set of 3D cutting tool assemblies are quickly and easily transferred from Tools United to Vericut. Along with Vericut's other tooling interfaces, creating your virtual tool library has never been easier. To utilize tools from Tools United, open Vericut's Tool Manager. Then, from the Import ribbon, launch the Tools United interface. Select the tool data previously output from Tools United. The tools and their cutting data are read into Vericut's Tool Manager. As we look at each of the tools in Tool Manager, we see the same geometry and detail as seen in Tools United. Now we run the simulation. You are now simulating your job in Vericut using accurate 3D geometry of tool assemblies from the Tools United application.